Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Dean in the Carolinas on the Ranger RCI-2995DX CF. Dean, got you ready to go, bud? Truckerized, which is going to be for this unit the tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrades, widening of the transmit and receiver, power supply upgrade, as well as ERF 2030 plus MOSFET upgrade in the radio and amplifier section. So the big deal with it in the amp section is for durability. A lot of guys run these into other amplifiers, and sometimes if you have a little bit of input tune reflect, it can take out the 520s in the amp section. The 2030 pluses are much more rugged. Let's just get right to it. Dean, I know you're going to use this to drive into an amp, so at 100 watt slug right there, I did set it down to 2, which is probably lower than you need it, but it's there if you need it. And 45 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello audio. About 84 bird. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello 1 2 1 2 audio. So it's about 185. Roll it all the way down. 2 watts. Hello 1 2 audio. Still the same 185. I don't think you're on much sideband, but here's sideband power. Hello. About 180. All right, Dean, it's ready to come to you, man. I hope you enjoy it. We'll get this out to you, as well as the Static 636 mic. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Dean, you've been truckerized. Bump.